Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, VA Life-Adelic. Today we're going to apply the 5 steps of badass truckery to my grandson's car to show you that you don't have to have a truck to be badass. Come on! Step 1, blackout. So we're going to start with these wheels. These are wheel covers, so it's going to make it real easy to paint these. But my idea, I'm going to clean up this steel wheel, and I want to paint this portion red to match that body color. We'll see how that works. If it doesn't look so great, we can just paint it over with some black. So, to take these wheel covers off, I've got to take the lug nuts off, which means I'm just going to end up taking off the whole wheel. That'll be a little easier for painting it anyway. I guess we'll just leave that on there. But we're going to clean this up. I'm going to put rust preventative primer on there. And then this part we'll paint with some of that Rust-Oleum wheel paint. So we're going to start off with this nylon brush. It's kind of hard. Do that. And probably some of these. I'm not too worried about this portion because this is the portion that's going to show through. So move it down. See what this does. So that's what I'm going to prime these with. Convert that rust into paintable surface. That's what I thought. Here we go. So, we gotta let that dry for 24 hours. Put the red on there. It's gonna look badass. There's the red. Looks pretty good. Pretty close. It'll be far enough away you won't really be able to tell. It's gonna look badass. Alright, we gotta hurry up, shoot this red on those wheels so we can get ready, put those wheel covers back on. It matches pretty well. Alright, so we got to get set up to clean these covers. Like I say, these are plastic. So we use a little acetic acid and dihydromonoxide. Get those cleaned up really good. Let's go! That's what we're going to use on these. Hopefully it stays on there. Going on plastic, so it might chip off. Just put another coat on. Let those set. Come back and put a couple more coats on. Alright, let's put our final coat on these. Step 2, blackout. Blackout's the most important. That's why it's on there twice. If you're not blacked out, you're not badass. Step 3, lights. So you need to figure out how to best get this light on. So we got this here light bar. Instead of more than one light, I'm just going to use this. I originally thought of putting it in here, inside of there, but I don't think that'll look too good. So I'm going to put it up under here, and that ought to look pretty badass. Yeah! So let's figure it out. I think that's the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, that's the center. Pretty good. So oh. I think what we'll do, mount it through here. I'm pretty lucky I can reach through here, get a nut on there. Probably what I do is put the bolt through there so I can just mess with the nut on this side. And then I think I might also put one of these L brackets to mount back here. So we'll see. See how that goes. All right, so I think I found a spot to put the switch. I can get it right through there. It's not going to look great, but it's going to be in a good spot. Be able to see it. Get it turned on. All right. Wish me luck. All right. So I'm going to wire up the switch. Alright, you didn't see it, but I run this wire from that switch through the firewall. Camera ran out of battery, and there was too much swearing. I wouldn't have been able to put it on the channel anyway, because just to run that wire from the switch under the dash through the firewall down to the light, it was about a 2-hour adventure. Step 4, antenna. Step 4, antenna. We can't really stick a giant antenna on here, but we can make this one bigger. I got this one from the Amazon. I think it was about $12, $9 maybe. I forget. It wasn't too bad. Make sure which one goes in there. There we go. Oh yeah. Step 5, preventive maintenance services and checks, PMCS. Step 5, preventive maintenance checks and services. This engine is looking really good. I don't see any troubles, but we'll make sure we keep up oil changes, keep the tires up. But this one's looking pretty good. All right, there you go. That's 5 easy steps that's gonna make your car badass. Thanks for watching, and we're going to catch you on the next one.